Now let's see the rotation right function. The command is ROR. So the operands is just the device to be rotated and the number of bits to be rotated in one rotation. So this is an example. For instance, that let's say that we want to rotate to the right the number stored in D10, and we're going to rotate it to the right 4 spaces, 4 bits. So this is the upper bit and the lower bit. And then the rotation is going to be start from I think rotate. Okay, so this number is going to move to the lower bit is going to move to the upper bit, and then so first the 0 is going to be rotated this way, then the 1 is going to be rotated one first, then the 0, then the 1, and then at the end the 0. And then we're going to check that out in ISP so that you can visualize it, how that works. And once again, you can use it with 16-bit numbers or 32-bit numbers just by adding the letter D at the beginning of the instruction. So let's go to ISP soft. So let's say whenever I press X20, I'm going to execute rotate to the right, and on this example I'm going to use the P at the end just for one pulse. So it's going to be executed for every time I press X20. Otherwise the rotation is going to be to happen every time. It's going to happen every scan cycle. So I'm going to use P at the end, the same way that they did here in the example. So rotate. So what are the devices that I'm going to rotate? I'm going to rotate D0. And I'm going to rotate it every 1, just for 1 bit. So let me compile. There's no errors. Let me download it to the PLC. And then we're going to run it, and that way you can visualize how that works. Okay. So first, let's go online, and we want to set up D0 equals to 1. Okay. So number 1. So D0 equals to 1. Let's go to monitor table. And let's visualize what is going on with D0. D0. There you go. There. Now let's check this out. And let's go to binary. There you go. So this is what is what's D0. So whenever I press X20, the function is going to be executed only 1, and this value 1 is going to move to the right. So this moves to this end, and everything else moves on this direction. So let me hit X20. I'll hit it again and again and again. See how this all this number is being moved to the right by 1 bit. So okay, so let me change this value to a more complex one. So let's make it 56. Hit OK. Go to monitor table. Okay, so this is the binary number. So I'm going to hit X21, and everything moves 1 bit to the right, and you can see it here. Okay, So remember that we can rotate it by a specific number, specific numbers. So if you want to make the rotation every rotate it 2 bits or 4 bits, I'm going to compile it and download it to the PLC. There we go, here. And this function is going to work the same way for the rotation to the left. So rotation to the right is going to go one way. Rotation to the left is going to go to another. So let me check what's going on here. Okay, this 0. I'm going to go online. Okay, so let me change this value to there you go. So everything moves 4 times to the right. So remember, the rotation to the right is the same thing as rotate to the left. The only thing that changes is the direction.